Are you tired of spending countless hours creating new digital products from scratch? What if I told you that there's a faster, easier way for you to scale your digital publishing business? And it's called PLR products, which should not be new to you guys because I talk a lot about PLR content, but I'm so excited to bring you today's content. Hey guys, I'm Sharlrita Deloatch. I'm your digital publishing bestie. I love to talk about multiple streams of income in digital publishing, how to take your expertise, your knowledge, those good things that's in your brain, take them and to create products, not just any type of products, but digital products. Products like journals and planners and ebooks, and maybe even your nonfiction books. I want to help you to do that with ease and automation. All right. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how for you to simplify your digital publishing business using PLR products. You're going to learn what PLR is if you're new and how to make it your own and why it's the ultimate shortcut to your success. Okay, so go ahead and grab your pen and your paper. So we're going to go ahead and get into today's content. Now, first of all, let's talk about PLR content and what it is. So, what is PLR content? That stands for private label rights. These are pre-made digital products like ebooks, journals, templates, and more that you can customize and you can sell them as your own. I want you to think like a blueprint for digital products. Instead of starting from scratch, you are starting with a solid foundation. Okay. So PLR is definitely perfect for you as a digital publisher because it helps you to save time, it helps you to save money, and it helps you to build effortlessly and still allow you to create a unique, high quality digital product. Let's start with the first thing when it comes to you creating digital products using PLR. First things first, not all PLR is created equal. Look for quality PLR from reputable sources. You want products that are well designed, that are easy to customize, and that are valuable to your audience. Now I know you're wondering how do I find these sites? No worry, I have a list right below here in the description just for you to download. I put it on a simple PDF file and you can just go and get it. Okay. The second thing you want to do, you want to make sure you customize and match your brand with the PLR products. So the magic of PLR lies in the customization. I don't want you to just slap your name on it and call it done. Add your brand and tweak the content, make it uniquely yours. This is not only a way for you to elevate the product, but also ensure that it aligns with your audience needs. The third thing we're going to talk about here is using PLR to create multiple income streams. That's one of the best things that I love about PLR products because they're very versatile. You can turn a single PLR product into an ebook to sell, into a course or a workshop, and into social media content. This gives you the endless possibilities when it comes to your digital products, and you can maximize your ROI as with a single purchase. So I want you to think about that. Purchase one thing and create multiple streams of income and multiple things that you can have in your business. The fourth thing we're going to talk about is automation and scale. This is the real secret. When you pair PLR with automation, with tools like your email sequences, content scheduler, those things that help you to scale with ease. You can quickly create and launch products without being bogged down with the details. Okay. So listen, by you leveraging PLR products, you're not only going to simplify your business, but you're going to open up doors to help you to scale faster and even to scale faster and also for you to scale up in your business so that you don't have to be bogged down with the day to day. Now, if you're ready to get started, I want to open an invitation to you to work with me in my Profitable Publishers Collective. This is where I teach all about how to use PLR effortlessly in your business, where to get it from. Well, I have a list on where you get it from, but actually how to use it. And even if you have some PLR already in your Google Drive, I want to show you how to use it. So go down in the description and come join me in the Profitable Publishers Collective. That's where we can learn. I get mentorship every single week on Thursdays, as well as we have a host of PLR product already in there, as well as some trainings and things to help you to scale your business. All right. So listen, don't forget to go ahead and like this video, go ahead and comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I give you more tips on help you to build a digital publishing business with ease. All right. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.